This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
So, according to a parts catalog by BMW, or like a BMW aftermarket parts catalog or something, someone has pieced together what the Supra looks like based on this parts catalog.
Okay, let's see this. I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, so this should be right
It's
here.
a genuine reaction.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like. And this is, it's not necessarily to scale. Like some proportions might be a little off, but this is what the Toyota Supra looks like. And this is a article by my friend Jason Torchinsky from Jalopnik. And take a look at this. So what do you think about that?
I don't hate it. It kind of looks like I'm getting a little bit of like maybe 850 super fast, a little bit of GTR in there, a little bit of like the old.
Is that an 812 super fast? You said 850.
Did I?
Yeah.
Sorry, 812 super fast.
How dare you?
Whatever. A little GTR in the front there, like the front wheel arches. And the hood a little bit.
Right here.
The nose reminds me of the SLK AMG 55 or SLK 55 AMG.
It does.
Kind of has that weird little F1 nose type of thing.
Yeah, it almost looks like there should be a little scoop right here.
Yeah,
like the SLR type thing.
Yeah.
I like the duckbill spoiler in the back.
Love the duckbill.
The duckbill spoiler.
Duckbill spoiler. And the roof reminds me of the GTR as well. That two little hump deal.
So
that's for helmets.
I don't really like the roof, but because it seems like this seems a little bit weird.
Again, it's not to proportion.
Right, but I've seen the actual car.
Okay.
But I haven't seen like the car without the camouflage. But I've like been around it.
I do like the car that the car has hips.
Oh yeah,
she thick with two C's. I guess I pull up a picture of what it looked like at Goodwood.
Okay.
Because again, this with the proportions maybe kind of off a little bit. That I'm not really, and it's not a flattering angle for the car.
Yeah, but I think that's the only.
That's all we got.
That's all we got. So this is what it looked like in Goodwood, and you can't really tell too much, what's going on here. So this is where it was, what I saw at Goodwood.
The headlights remind me a little bit of the AMG 1.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
So it's not a bad looking car.
It's not. I don't like the wheels. I think they're trying too hard there.
So according to Toyota, they're going to have a lot. These are not the final wheels, and they're going to have a lot of different wheel options.
That's good. Do we know if this car is coming in manual?
Okay, so there has been a lot of speculation, and it might come in manual, maybe. Most likely, if it comes in manual, it'll probably be the if they make a 4-cylinder version, then it'll probably be that. But then the BMW engines, it's going to be like, well, I mean, the 4-cylinder is probably going to be a BMW, whatever they put in.
I didn't know they were making a 4-cylinder version.
I think they will, because it's going to be like a 4-cylinder turbo and then a 6-cylinder turbo, which is not bad. It's kind of like the naturally aspirated and the turbo version of the last Supra. But here's the thing. What don't you like about it?
Just something about the overall, like all of the elements coming together into one car. It just, I don't know. It seems a little off. It's just something about it just doesn't, like something about the proportions. Maybe, I don't know, the shape of the headlights. I'm not a huge fan of.
Okay, so here's a segue into a new segment we're calling "You're Wrong," and you're wrong, and let me tell you why.
You're just gonna play this card again.
You're wrong. No. I mean, we can disagree, but I spent some time with the head designer of this car, Tada-san. Right? I don't know what his first name is. I forget his first name. I knew it, but I'm horrible with names. But it's Tada-san. He's like he's a mild-mannered, middle-aged Japanese man who is absolutely obsessed with the Supra. Absolutely. He could not be more in the culture, the kind of zeitgeist of the car. He knows everything about the car, and he wants the fans of the car to like this car. So when I spoke to him, I had an interview, and that'll be coming up in a video on my channel. I had an interview with him, and basically, you know, one of the biggest takeaways is he's like, we're sorry that this took so long. And it's really like that's something that hit me because it's really hard for a manufacturer to say like they're sorry about anything. But this is like, he was personally apologizing for this project, like not being as fruitful as people wanted to. Like, we're sorry it took so long, but it's worth the wait.